The next thing that you will want to do with the stem is add your electrodes to it. So you go across. So in this case it will be your body system, because obviously I want to add it to this. So you right click on it and you go across to work plane, and I'll add the work plane for you. So this is basically where the electrodes will be. So what you want to do in the work plane now, you can kind of like move it up to where you want the electrodes to be. So I guess you want it to be half, like, so you would just use your height divided by 2, which is why I use the global variables, and I would just raise it up for you. You can also divide by 4, I'll do that for you. But I think the center is a nice place to put the electrodes. So that is why you will take a say work plane for electrodes, and we'll do that for you. So nice. So we have the work plane. So the next thing we need to do is actually go into it. So you'll right click on the plane geometry, or just click on it. So when you click on it, you'll see the circle come up. So this is basically your work plane, and it is the radius of your stem. So that's where you will want to add your electrodes on it. So the first thing you want to do, you gotta add an arc, because that is where the electrode is modeled as. So you right click on plane geometry, and you go into more, and you'll click circular arc. So this here is basically the electrode. So you can see there's elect 1 and this, and you have 4 electrodes. So you just right click on it and click duplicate, and we cannot duplicate it. So you want this to be E2 or electrode 2, and you duplicate it again, and you can duplicate it again one time to save the stress. So this will be 3, and this will be 4. Nice. So you have your 4 electrodes. So the only thing we need to do now is actually put in the start and end for the angle. So if you click on each of them and you scroll down to the radius, you will want the radius to be the same radius as your stem. So you could just say R. Yeah. And then you have to put in the angle, which you already know, because you already put it as a global variable. So the start for the left one will be E underscore, so E1 underscore start, and the end will be E1 underscore N. And then you go to E2 and repeat the same process. So you want the radius to be R, capital R. Then the start and end, so it'll be E2 underscore start and E2 underscore N. Then you go to electrode 3 and repeat the same thing. So you want this to be R, and here this will be E3 underscore start and E3 underscore N, and the electrode 4 radius is R, E4 underscore start, E4 underscore N, and when you do all, you just build all, and you have your 4 electrodes. Yeah, I should go back to the body system. Yeah, should we be? So you have the electrodes there, but it's kind of thin, so you can't really see it as you see. So we can actually zoom in. You won't be able to see the electrodes as yet. So what you need to do is actually just go back to your work plane, and right click on your work plane and you just go and extrude it. So this will make it look nice and wide. So you go down to distances, and this is where I should put in your height of the electrode. So I think we name it as E_H. So you hover over it, the value should come up. So we had it as 0.1, and you build the objects, and look at that, you have the electrodes.